Welcome back to my channel, Chuck's Confident. In this video, I will discuss all about 23rd WB SET examination, 23rd West Bengal State Eligibility Test examination for the Assistant Professor. In this video, I will discuss all about online application, application fees, exam date, application process, and eligibility criteria, etc. So first of all, we have to open official website of West Bengal College Service Commission. The official website is wbcsconline.in. First of all, write at Google WBCSC online. This is the official website West Bengal College Service Commission. Click on here and the recent notification, apply for state eligibility test, advertisement number 23/set. Apply now. Application is started and download the notification. This is the notification. You have to download it. I downloaded it and I will discuss from this downloaded notification. This examination is conducted by West Bengal College Service Commission. Commencement of online application 16th August 2021 means today. Last date of online application and payment 15th September 2021 and date of examination. This is most important. Date of examination 9th January 2022. This is index of contents. You have to read it. And basic instructions. State eligibility test will be held on 9th January 2022 Sunday. WBCSC will conduct SET exam for 33 subjects. And the website I already said, wbcsconline.in. Conditions of eligibility. Every student have to secure 55% marks in their master's degree examinations, and for SC, ST, PWD, OBC candidates, they have to secure 50% marks. And here candidates are neither required to send any certificate or document in support of their eligibility, nor printout of their application form, which is confirmation page to WBCSC. It is not needed. Age limit, there is no upper age limit for the applying SET examination. Reservation, SC for 22%, ST 6%, OBC A, non-creamy layer 10%, OBC B, non-creamy layer 7%, EWS 10% and 4% reservation for PWD candidates with not less than 40% disability. Exemption. The most important thing is examination fee. For the general category students, 1200. Other backward classes means OBC, NCL means non-creamy layer, EW and EWS 600 rupees, ST/SC, PWD transgender 300 rupees. In the previous SET examination means 22nd SET examination, it was 1000 for general, 500 for OBC and EWS and 250 for SC/ST PWD candidates. And for the payment option, 1.20% for fees exemption fee plus GST applicable. Debit card nil. You have to choose debit card. And internet banking ₹10 will be more. And scheme and date of test. For the paper 1, 100 marks. For second paper or subject paper, 200 marks. Time, examination time for paper 1, 1 hour, 50 questions. Paper 2, 100 questions, 2 hours. 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Procedure criteria for declaration of result. 6% candidate will be appeared in both papers of set examination. This is very important. This is provisions for persons with disability, including visually challenged candidates having 40% or more disability. They have to read on this. Admit card for set. You can get admit card from this website, which I said already, in the 3rd week of December 2021. No admit card will be sent to the candidate by post. You have to download from the website. This is the application process. How to apply. Applications have to be submitted online process. Photo upload option from 4 KB to 40 KB, and the size must need to fulfill this criteria: 3.5 centimeter width and 4.5 centimeter height, and signature 4 to 30 KB, and the criteria is 3.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. No applications can be submitted after the last date, and no fees will be accepted after last date in any circumstances. The number of subjects is 33. English, Bengali, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, Commerce, Economics, History, Philosophy, Political Science, Education, Chemical Science, Geography, Life Science, Mathematical Science, Physical Science, Sociology, Psychology, Library and Information Science, Physical Education, Electronic Science, Computer Science, Home Science, Santali, Mass Communication and Journalism, Anthropology, Earth Sciences, Music, Law, Nepali, Management, Arabic, and 33rd subject is Environmental Science. Examination Center, District Code and District. Time schedule for set. Entry in the examination hall, distribution test booklet, etc. Instruction for use of test booklet and answer sheet. I think you all know about it. This is all about the notification. You have to apply and you have to prepare to perform well in the examination. 33 subject, and if you want to know about the cut-off marks of these subjects, you have to see my another video, West Bengal set cut-off marks 2018 and 2020 comparison. Then you will aware about the cut-off marks of the upcoming examination. And if you are not subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification from my channel. And please like this video and share among your friends. This is a breaking news for every hostel students. And of course comment me, and uh, of course comment me if you have any query about the examination. Please see description of this video. I will upload any necessary document for the examination. And thanks for watching. Stay connected with my channel, Jax Complete.